I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to remove location metadata from a single photo on your Android device. Step 1. Tap to open the Photos app on your Android device and then open the photo that you want to remove location metadata from. Step 2. Either swipe up on this screen or tap an eye icon if you see one to display the info menu. Step 3. Find the address that was captured associated with this photo and then tap the edit icon associated with that address. A screen opens where you can either enter a new address or remove the address. Step 4. Tap Remove Location. You'll return to the Info menu where you'll see the location information has been removed from this specific photo on your Android device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.